In this tutorial, we'll try to learn what is logical and bitwise and the same with logical or and bitwise or. Okay, so let me declare some variable like a is equals to 10 and comma b is equals to 40, something like that. Okay, and then now let me explain you how it works for logical and bitwise and. Okay, so let me go to system dot out dot println. Okay, so here if you can see, I will try to evaluate the logical and bitwise and. I will show you a is greater than b and a plus plus is greater than less than b. Okay, b. Then what I will do, I will try to print system dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot println and a. Okay, I will show you why I am printing it. Okay, just let me first complete the evaluation process. The same I can try to have a copy here as well. And now I will just print one and that is bitwise. Okay, so this double and is logical and the single one is bitwise and. Now let me run this. Okay, you can see the first one where a is greater than b and a plus plus less than b. So a value is 10. Okay, so 10 is greater than 40 is wrong and it is terminating from here itself. For logical and it will not evaluate the second one. Okay, if the first one itself is wrong, then it will not evaluate the second one. Okay, so it will terminate there itself. So you have to obviously check that if first is true, then to the second one true, like that you have to evaluate for logical and. If first one itself is wrong, then second part of it will not get evaluated. So that is the reason a is still a 10 only. Okay, false and as well as 10, because a is not greater than b, false it will return and it will return the value of a. Okay, now system order println a greater than b and a plus plus less than b. That means now here, even though a is greater than b false, it is still trying to go and evaluate the second condition as well, and where a plus plus is happening. Okay, and now we are getting 11 over here, even though it is a false, and we are getting a value as 11. Okay, so this is about logical and now we will let go with uh, but before going to logical or, let me explain you in logical and wherever we are typing and bitwise and or logical and, the statement will be like true true equal to true. That means both the conditions should be true. If anything is false, then the whole thing will go as false only. Okay, even though a plus plus is less than b, it is still printing false only, because true true only true in and. Okay, true false 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 true false. Okay, and false false is also false. Okay, so this is the way the and logical and bitwise and evaluate. But with when we compare to or, okay, logical or and bitwise or, okay, the things will be very different. Okay, if you can see, if a is greater than b, no. A plus plus is less than b, true, so it is printing a. So in this, if anything is one is true, then everything will be true. Okay, so if a is greater than b, a is greater than b, no. But a plus plus is less than b, that means first of all 11, because it is going to second condition in or, so it is obviously incrementing. So okay, so a plus plus, even though it is 11, it is less than b, so true. Okay, true and returning 1, which is incrementing. And in bitwise also it is doing the same thing. Okay, so there is no difference we can find. Okay, so this is the way the logical operator and bitwise operators are. Yeah, even though these are two which I have shown you, if there are, you can go through some tutorials as well, and you can practice few of the things in your local, and if you have any doubts, just let me know. And meanwhile, let me go ahead with the assignment operator. Okay, this is the last topic of our tutorial of this. Okay, so basically what is the assignment letter? For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 40, and now I want to print the Now I want to, what I want to do, I want to print a, first I will print a value of a. Okay, then what I will do, I will copy the same and I will again a is equals to b I will give. Okay, and I will print it. Okay, so now what happens, basically a value is equals to 10. So first I am printing it, and now a is equals to b. That means I am assigning b value to the a. Okay, so the b value is getting assigned to left one, that is a. Okay, and it is printing 40. Okay, this is one way, and you can also have some assignment like you can increment that, you can add and assign the value. Okay, like a plus equal to b. For example, now you will get 50 value. Got my point? This is a assignment operator. So this also you can use instead of having three variables like c equal to a plus b, you can directly add it to a, like a plus equal to b. So in that way you can do any kind of combination, permutation, combinations for your business logics based on your calculations.